This is Serjay Svek. Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Kevin, also known as Serjay Svek, and today we have another episode of ROTIBOR, or Reviews of Things I Bought Online Recently. And today we're going to talk about a couple of Victorinox Swiss Army knives or sacks. At the left is the Victorinox Cadet, and on the right is the Victorinox Bantam. Let's take a look at the Cadet first. So the Cadet is a 2-layer sack, and it comes in at 84 millimeters in length, or 3.31 inches, and it weighs in at 46 grams, or 1.62 ounces. It has the blade over here. On the opposite end of the blade is a nail file with a pointed tip. It can be used to clean under your fingernails. It has a can opener with a small tip that can be used for Phillips head screws. And here is the bottle cap lifter with a notch for wire stripping and a wider flat tip that can be used for flathead screws. Now let's move on to the Bantam. Unlike the Cadet, the Bantam is a single layer sack, and it also is 84 millimeters in length, or 3.31 inches, and it weighs in at 29 grams, or 1.02 ounces. It only has the main blade, and it has the combo tool. So unlike the can opener and the bottle cap lifter on models such as the Cadet, the combo tool seeks to combine all of those things. It has the wire stripping notch. This curved area over here combines both the bottle cap lifter and the can opener. The flat part here is good for flathead screws, and this point here is good for Phillips head screws. And like the bottle cap lifter on the Cadet, the combo tool on the Bantam also locks in a half stop. So who could benefit from using the Cadet? Well, if you prefer a more robust can opener and bottle opener, and if you want a grooming option with a file and the pointed tip for cleaning under your fingernails, then go for this. It's super light, it can fit in your pocket, no problem at all. But for those who want an even smaller package and don't need a file, and they want to use a tool that can combine both the can opener and the bottle cap lifter and the different screwdrivers, then go for the Bantam. Side by side, both models are really thin, but if you want to get more space out of your pocket, then go for something like the Bantam. But if you want more robust tools, go for something like the Cadet. Now here are the Bantam and the Cadet compared to the Tourist, which is also in the same length, and you could see that the Alox scales make both of these tools a lot smaller and more portable compared to something like the Tourist. But if you really want to save even more space in your pockets, both of these knives are actually able to fit inside the coin purse inside this wallet. The Bantam fits in without a problem. The Cadet can also fit in with a little more difficulty, but it is possible. So if ever you're unable to bring a bigger knife in your pocket, then you might as well put it in your wallet. And I would recommend either of these. So to conclude, the Bantam is my choice for a wallet sack. If you have a lot of stuff in your pockets, you might as well have an extra sack ready in case you forget your knives or your multi-tools in your pockets. At least you always have something like the Bantam ready to work for you in your wallet. And the Cadet will be paired in my pocket with another folding knife. But both of these are great, especially in an office setting. They're very thin. They're not very obvious when you put them in your pants or your slacks. And they're very, very stylish with these Alox scales. Great, great overall. So once again, I would like to thank everybody for tuning in to another episode of ROTIBOR, or reviews of things I bought online recently. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like, leave it in a comment what is your favorite Victorinox sack, and I might catch you next time. So once again, my name is Kevin, also known as Serjay Svek. You take care, and always stay safe. Bye now. Salutations, Serjavians. If you like this video, feel free to like and comment and subscribe to see more videos like this one.